X. Here's your 632 big block Chevrolet. This is a Airboat Pacific combination. We'll kind of give you a brief description of what it's about. It's got the Brodax cylinder heads on it with the CNC 332 oval port. It's got the Brodax manifold, and we converted that to EFI. It's got the blacked out valve covers, special breathers. It's got valve spring oiler plates. It's also got piston oilers in it. It's 4340 crank, H-beam rods, custom J&E pistons. The hydraulic roller motor, we have that custom grind by Comp Cams for us. Innovator's West dampener, nice blacked out March pulley setup with alternator. Naturally, it's fuel injected. We use the Holley system on it. Very user friendly. When you get it, it'll have a preloaded program in it, so you won't have to mess with any of that. Be a tag on it with some specifications on the motor. Pay attention to that. Have a timing light hooked up. Make sure it kind of correlates there. Take you into the consult room, show you how it ran. Alrighty, well, we spend a lot of time developing the combination for these airboats to get run down on the bottom through the mid-range. As you can see, 2500, it makes an astounding 722 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 795, it looks like, and peak horsepower 778. And 778 is 5500, so you turn it 52, 53. It's really stout in there and stuff. So we'll go out and take it off, get in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.